So today we're making chicken tikka masala. It's an excellent Indian dish. It's very delicious. Stay tuned. So we have 2 cups of rice here. This is basmati rice. We want to make sure we wash it at least 4 times. Just make sure we get all that starch off of it, because you don't want that in your rice cooker. You'll just make it clump up together too much. We don't want that. Make sure we get as much of the starch off as we can, so the water is clear and not cloudy. So get as much of this water out as you can, because you want your water to rice ratio to be 1:1 in the rice cooker for this particular dish. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water to it. Now to the rice, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of turmeric. Give it that nice yellow color. Then we're going to add a couple tablespoons of parsley, dry parsley. Alright. And then for this chicken tikka masala sauce, you know, normally I make my stuff from scratch. But I saw a product at the store. It's masala simmer sauce. So we're going to try that out. Yep, masala simmer sauce. We're going to try this out and see how this works out. I think it's going to be pretty good. I looked at the ingredients and it has everything I would have put in it. So let's see how it turns out. So now we have our naan bread. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to add some olive oil to the pan. Now let's preheat it so we can cook our chicken. And our chicken thighs get nice and cooked through. Pan's on medium high. It shouldn't take long to cook the chicken because we cut it so small. About 1-inch cubes. Got a piece or two that are a little bit bigger, but that's fine. It works. Now we're going to add a little salt and pepper. A little pepper. Freshly ground. When it gets about 3/4 of the way done, we're going to add the sauce, the masala simmer sauce. We're going to add that. You should be able to find that sauce at your local grocery market. If not, you know, check Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's carries it. Okay, the naan bread's done. Let me go take that out. And now we want to add that masala simmer sauce. Just add the entire jar. Add a little bit of water to the jar. Shake it up so we can get all the remnants out of there. And then pour it in. I want to mix this up. Well, you can smell all the flavors now. You want this to simmer for a few minutes. Turn the heat down to medium-low. And while it's simmering, I'm going to cut up the naan bread. Okay, stir this a little more. Now you want to add about 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. Stir that up. That's going to give it that vibrant orange color. And when this comes back up to the simmer, you're done. This up some, starting to simmer now. Let this simmer for a couple more minutes, and then we'll be through it. Now let us build our plate. And some rice, the turmeric parsley rice. Now we're going to add our masala chicken. Very nice. Make sure you get some of that sauce in there. And now we add our naan bread, our pieces of naan bread. And there we have it, chicken tikka masala. Enjoy. Right, let's see if this masala sauce is good to go. I do enjoy my Indian food. Let's see if it's spicy or if it's not. A little spice to it. Not overly hot, but there's definitely some spice to it. Love the naan bread. I don't know if it's what kind of pepper this is, what kind of chili, but it's definitely a little kick to it. Yeah. So far, so good. I'm impressed. You can taste the spices, the tomatoes, onion. The turmeric. It definitely doesn't let you down. You know, after having this, you know, I don't think I'm gonna make it from scratch anymore. I just use this. It's delicious. And normally, I use chicken breast. But this time I use chicken thighs. And with this sauce, you can't really tell the difference. Because of all the spices, you know. That's good. Naan bread is good. The sauce is good. The rice is good. Starting to sweat a little bit on the spices. Give me a little bit of light. Really good. You can taste the richness from the cream. I'm not sure why I blew it just in, because the heat is not temperature heat, it's spice heat. This is good. Quick and easy. Chicken tikka masala. No complaints. Tastes nice. This is a nice taste test. I'm glad I decided to do it. This is good. You should try it yourself. Oh. This rice is good. If you haven't had turmeric rice, you should definitely make some. Those spices got my eyes watering. And that should tell you something right there. It's delicious though. I'm glad I made this today. There won't be no last bite, but I'm happy. I approve it. That being said, if you like what you saw, hey, try the recipe out. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, like it, share it. Let some other people know how it is. And definitely tell me what your thoughts are in the comments. That being said, this is Raw, and I'm out.